Okay, so hey everyone, this is Rohit Kumar, and in this video we are going to design this one. So welcome to my YouTube channel, Design Like Engineer. So let's learn a new thing today, and I hope that you already have subscribed the channel. If you have not subscribed the channel, then please go and subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to click on the bell notification icon so you will get notified every time when when I upload a new video. So let's start today's video. We are going to rework on this kind of model so we can see that how to design this kind of complex model. This is a volve design 2 with for design. This is one way and this is two way. Okay, so this is a very easy but also a very technical thing which many was asked in SolidWorks exams, and also good for beginners and best for practicing uh, advanced level modeling. So let's start. For this, let's close this one, of course, and of course go here, click on new. You have to go to the middle one. Now click on the part and simply make this one okay. Now here you have to select the unit in which unit we are going to work. So we need to select mmgs, we need to millimeter, gram and second. Now what we need to do here, we need to select a plane. Now let me show you the blueprint. Let me check where's the blueprint. Yeah, here's the blueprint. Now here is the blueprint. Now you can read that all the dimensions are in mm, all the details are available in drawing. So the details that we need is available. First of all, we will create the middle portion. Okay, and then after this we will create this one, and then the final one, this one, and we will also work on this thing and this thing. So all the dimensions are given. This thing looks complicated, but when you will watch the video completely, you can understand that how to design this kind of complicated models. So come to SolidWorks. Now go to front plane, because first of all we are going to design the middle profile, down profile. Now here MMGS is already selected. Now we need to base some sketches, right? Let's front page. Let's make a drawing like this. One more circle. Why this circle? Because we are going to make this part, right? This part. Let's come here. This part. Okay. Now what we need to come here, make like this. Let me check it again. Yeah, it's something like this. So now come here, make it like this, make it like this. Come down here, make it like this, make it like this, and just connect it here. No need to make any relation now. Now we need to make some points here. What? Yeah, this one. The thickness of this part from this line to this line, the dimension is 6 mm. So we will specify some the dimension. Our profile is ready. We just need to specify the dimension. So let's start specifying dimensions. Come here. Go normal to. Go to smart dimension and make this one 6. It shows 45, so simply make this 6. Now here you see it's 6. Now what we need to do, we need to define the diameter of this one. Actually this is also circle, but we had to remove this thing, trim this thing, so it automatically become an arc. So the radius of this arc is 6, and the radius of this one, which we had made with the help of origin point, it's 2. No, this one is 4. This one will be 6. Here you see, this one will be 6 and this one will be 4. This part, can you see this part? So 6 and 4. So come here, make this 6 and make this one 4. We need to make this thing 4. Let's make this one 12, because this is the diameter that we need. Diameter will be 12, so the radius will automatically become 6, which we can use as the arc. Now what we need to do, we need to specify the distance from the origin point to this line. It's 35, so let's make this one 35 and it's 30. We'll make both the things at the same time, 35 and 30. Okay, so go to smart dimensions, select the middle point and make this one 35, and this one will be 30. Make this one 30. Now here you see it's 30. Now what we need to do, we need to define the height of this thing, this one and this one too. This one is 15 or 10. The height of this line is 10 from the bottom line, and the height of this line is 15. So this one is 10 and this one is 15. So let's do it. Select this one and this one, make this one 10. Wrong. something wrong. Let's remove this one. It's taking an angle. We need to remove this thing. Come here, make this relation. Come here, make this one 10 and make this one 15. How much? 15. Now here you see. Now this thing is done. This thing looks proper. And this one was 10, I think. Why? Come here. This one was 10. Now we need to remove this thing. This one is 10 also. Here you see. See? This one 10, 15, 30, 35, 6. No need to measure the distance of this one because this is also predefined. If you don't believe, then come here. Yeah, this one. Actually, you can check this one. Actually, this one is 35. So no need to do anything. Simply uh, remove this dimension. Come here. Trim it. Did not trim this thing. Now here you see it get trimmed. Now this is exactly what we need. Now we need to make the radius of this arc, this fillet, 2 mm. Okay, so it will be 2, it will be 2, and this one will also be 2. So let's make this one 2. Go to sketch fillet, select this one, and select it. Let's make this one 2 first. Let's 2. Okay, remove. Let's this one 2, this one 2, this one 2, and this one will 2 always. Now here you see we have made the drawing completely. Now, is there anything that we need to do? Actually, no, we don't need to do anything, right? Let me see. It's 6. 4 is everything done. It's 12. Okay, so let me check. This one is 6. Now it looks fine. Then why it shows? Let's make this in 27. Do we need to make this in 27? No, no, no. Let's make this in 28. Let me check. 28. Let's remove this one. Uh, Grids. Yeah, it looks fine. Is there anything that we need to do? I think no, we don't need to do anything. Uh, let's check. Actually, the dimension of this one is also given here. So there's some problem with this thing, but no need to worry. It's absolutely fine. This thing is 10, and actually we need to define the dimension. What called the distance of this one from the arc, but no need to do anything. Let me do it from ourselves. That is 27. So let's make this one 30. No, it's not taking as 30. So this one is by default. Delete this one. Now it's absolutely fine. No need to do anything. It looks like this, but it's fine to have somewhere in the drawing. Now what we need to do? We just need to extrude this one. And how much we need to extrude? Go to mid plane. And how much we need to extrude? Come here. We need to extrude this thing around 50 and 50. Okay, we need to extrude this one around 50 because the overall dimension is 65. 35 plus 30 is equal to 60. It's already 60, so we need to extrude this one with the help of midplane around 50 mm. Okay, go here and make this one 50 mm. Now here you see, and make this one. Okay, now here you see, this is our first profile that we have made. Actually, there is some problem with this arc because in drawing it looks different, but it's absolutely fine. No need to worry about that. It's a practice model. When you will start working on the model given in the exam, then you can automatically understand. Now come here, also again select front plane. Now what do we need to do anything? Actually no. Come here, make this one a sketch. Back, we need to make a sketch here. Come here, take this circle, make a circle like this. Let me see. The circle is exactly in the middle of it. So we need to extrude this circle around 40 mm, and the overall diameter of the circle is 25.58. 25.85. Okay, so 25, first we will specify the diameter and then we will extrude this one around 40 mm. So it will be 25.85. So come here, go to smart dimension. It will be 25.85. Okay, go to extrude bosses, go make this one extrude, and we need to select blind and change the direction because we need to extrude this one in upward direction, not equally on the both side. And simply make this one 40 because the height given in the drawing is 40 mm. Here is the 40 mm and make this one okay. Now here you see. Now let me show you one thing that this hole get dissolved. So no need to worry, we will make another hole later. So come here. Again, find the front plane, make a sketch. Now we need to let's change this one. Now we need to make one more profile. Where? Here. Okay. Now we need to make this one. Then we will cut this thing and we will also make this one. Now come here and we need to make another line with angle of 46.98. Okay. So come here. Select center line. Find the center point. Make a line which touches this bottom line and again make a line like this. Okay, come here. Let's define the angle between this two lines. The angle is 46.98, so we will take it as the angle 46.98. It will be 46.98 and the height of this one, the dimension of this cursor line will be for 51.27. Let's leave this thing. Let's make this one 47.27. Okay, 47.27. So it will be 47.27. Okay, now here you see. Now why we did this? Because it's given in the drawing that we have to make this profile, and then after this we have to make this profile. Right? Make this one okay. This time we need to make a plane here. So how will we make the plane? Go to feature, go to reference geometry, find a plane. Now you have to be careful here. Simply select this line and again come here and select this point. Now here you see our plane is created at the height that we need. Now come here, click on this, make this one a sketch. Now we need to make a circle here too. So simply make a circle like this. Now the diameter of this circle is how much? So the diameter of this circle is given in the drawing. It's 25.69. Here you see, this is the diameter. This runs from this distance from this line to this line is the diameter because this is a circular profile. So it will be 25.68. We will take this one as 25.68. Come here, go to smart dimension, make this one 25.68, not 69, 68, and make this one okay. Now here, go to feature, go to extruded boss base. Now we need to extrude this thing in upward action. But how much? Up to next. Now here you see, it get extruded. And simply make this one okay. Now here you see, our profile is done. Make this one okay. Now we need to hide this thing. How? Click here and go to hide. Now we need to pick up one more profile here. Which one? This profile. And what is the dimension of this profile? Come here. Let me see. Is there any place where dimension is given? So it's 36 by 36. We need to make a rectangle, square. Actually square, because in a square length and breadth is uh, always same. So it will be 36 by 36. So come here. This time we need to find a center rectangle. It is the second option here. Select this midpoint and make a line like this. Means an okay. Go here. 36. This one will be 36 and this one will be 36 too. 36 means an okay. Go here. Go to extruded boxes. Now we need to extrude this one upward direction. Okay. uh, go to blind. Now we need to specify the dimension of this one too. So what is the dimension? Come on, upward direction. So the thickness of this one is 4 mm. We need to extrude this one around 4 mm. Okay. Make this one 4. 40 to 4. And simply make this one okay. Now here you see this thing is done. Come here. Now we need to make a circular one more thing. Circular drawing here. So let me see. Uh, Here, let me show you. The distance of this circle is not given, so let me do it from ourselves, right? Some of the what called some of the details are not given in the drawing, so we will make some modifications. So this will be 6 and this will be 4, right? Come here, make one circle, make two circle, make this one as a 6 and make this one as 4. Actually, this one will be 12. 12. Make this one okay. This time, what we need to do? Find a line like this, and from here, make a line like this. Okay. Come here now. We need to trim this thing. Simply trim this one. Also trim this thing. And come here. Go to feature. Go to extrude boxes. Now we need to extrude this one over here. So go and through all. I think through all is fine. Select this one and make this one. It's through all going all around. So I select surface and make this one here. Now here you see. This is what we need. Now come here and let's make the hole. Come here. Find the origin point of the circle. Make this one as 4. Diameter of this hole is 4 and come here. Go to sketch, features, go to extrude cut and simply go to through all. Now here you see. It will cut a hole. Now here you see. Now here you see. This is what we need. Simply hide this one because I don't need this thing anymore. Now we need to make some fillets here. So what the radius of the fillet? Come here. So the radius of the fillet is 6 mm and there is also a hole with radius 2.3. So we will take it as 2 mm, diameter 2 mm because the radius is given. So the diameter will automatically become 4 because diameter is the double of radius. So this one we will take as 4 and the radius of this fillet will be 6. So come here, go to fillet, give dimension 6 here, select this corner, select this corner, select this corner and select this corner and make this one okay. Now what we need to do? Again find front plane because front plane is in the middle of it. Come here, center point, make a line like this, connect it here, one like this, one like this, and later on we will copy this thing. So how? Come here. So this thing is, let me see. The gap is 6 mm and the depth is not given. Okay, so we will take it as 15. Let's take it as 15. Distance from this line to this line, we will take it as 16, 15 or 10 or maybe 10. So 6 by 10. Come here. So it's 6. So we need to take half of it. So let's make this one 3 and make this one 10. Okay. Go to mirror entities, simply mirror this thing, go to mirror about, select this one and make this one okay. Now go to feature, go to extrude cut. Now we need to extrude cut this thing in equal both direction equally. So simply select through all both. Now make this one okay. Now here easy. It makes a cut. Again, come here, make sketch. Again, come here, circle. Now here we will make the main hole. So what the diameter of the circle will be? Come here. The diameter of this circle is 20 mm. We will take it as 20 mm. and overall 20 mm. Okay, so simply make this one 20 mm. Go to feature, go to extrude cut, and through all is already selected. Not both, simply make this one okay. Through all and make this one okay. Now here you see. Now what we need to do? We also need to make a hole here too. So come here. Now what we need to do? We will use this thing. Select this one. Come here and make this like this. Now here you see. The circle is visible. Come here, make a line like this. Find the center point of the circle. Make a circle like this. Make a circle. Again, it specifies diameter. So the diameter of this circle that we need here is how much? It's 20. We need to make a hole of 20 and again through all. So this will be 20. Go here. Go to extrude cut, and this time also through all. Because this is exactly what we need. And means okay. Now here you see. Here we have a complete file. Now what we need to do? What left? This part, and this part. Okay, so how? Come here. Again, find the front plane. Make a line like this. Now, do we need to select anything? Yeah. Simply come here from this point, somewhere from the middle point. Make a profile like this. Connect here. This one. And make it like this. Again, what we need to do? We need to make a part here also. Okay. So we'll make this one as it is. The answer of this one is not given, so we simply need to make a line here, connect to here. Come here, find this corner point, find here corner point, a line which goes exactly in the middle of it, one line like this, and simply connect this one. Again, what we need to do? We also need to make a profile here. Okay, but first let's make this one. We need to make this thing first because the thickness of this thing is different, and the thickness of this thing is also different. So how? So what is the thickness? The thickness is 4 mm. So the thickness of this part and this part is 4 mm. So we will take it as 4 mm. So go to features, go to extruded boss base. Now we need to select mid plane and make this one 4 mm. 4 mm is already selected and make this one okay. Now here you see. Here it shows some part is coming out of it, so we will trim it later. Again, go to front plane, make a sketch. Again, we need to make a part here. So how? Find. So we need to make a line, and we will give the answer as for 30 mm, and it will go inside. The dimension of this one is not required because we will trim the additional part later. Okay. So come here. From here, somewhere like here, and simply connect this one. You can also take a rectangle, but you have to take a corner rectangle. Now go here and make this one 30. 30 means okay. Now the radius of this thing is not given here. So let me find here. Here the radius is given. So the radius of this arc is 6 mm and the whole diameter of this hole is also not given. So we will take a hole as 4 mm diameter because this hole looks same. So we will take it as 4 mm as it is. Okay. So come here, go to sketch fillet. You can also make a fillet later, but let's make the fillet. Means 6 means okay. Go to feature, simply means okay. Go to extrude boundaries and how much we need to extrude. Come here. We need to extrude this one around 10 mm. Here you see 10 mm, right? So extrude this one around 10 mm. Now here you see means okay. Now we will make the extruding process. We will start the extruding process. Now come here. Again, we have the origin point, make a circle like this, Go to feature, go to extrude cut, and select through all. Make this look. Now here you see the part it get trimmed. Again, make sketch. Here's also part is coming out. Find a circle, take the origin point, make a circle like this, and go to extrude cut. And it was already selected, and simply make this okay. Now here you see we have trimmed the additional part that we don't need. Now what we need to do? We need to make holes here. With how much? With a diameter of 2.3 mm. Okay, with the its radius with a diameter of 4.6 mm. So we will take the diameter as 4, because I already told you that we will make some modifications in this drawing. So we will take the diameter of this circle as 4. Actually, this is the hole. So come here. This time go to hole wizard. Simply select hole wizard. This time you have to select third option. Dowel hole. Dowel hole is fine. ISO. You have to select ISO and take radius diameter 4 mm. And not through wall. Select blind and make this one 8. I think 8. Then the thickness of this part is 4 mm, but we will take it as 6 for security purpose. I'll show you. Simply go to position. You have to go to position. Come here. This time now find the center point or origin point. Simply select this one. Come here. Find the origin point. Select this one. Find the origin point. Select this one. Find the origin point and select this one. Now here you see. That's why we took it as 4 mm. Simply make this one okay. Now here you see we have the hole. Now do we need to do anything? Let me see. No, we need to do nothing. We will make some chamfers here, and after that we have to make a hole here which get covered, and also a hole here with a diameter of 4 mm. This one, this one, and this one. A hole with 4 mm. Come here. Again through all. Select through all. This time you have to select through all. Through all. 4 mm. Come here. 4 mm. Find the origin point and again here 4 mm. Now here you see. And simply answer okay. Now here you see. Here we have a complete hole. See? We have a complete hole. Now what we need to do? We need to make fillets here. Right? So what's the radius of fillet? Let me see the drawing. The radius of this fillet is 6 mm. Here you see. The radius of this fillet is 6 mm. So we will take it as 6 mm. So come here. Go to fillet and give radius 6 mm. Select this corner. Select this corner. Select this corner again. Select this corner. Means no okay. Now here, do we need to do anything? Let me see the top. No. We need to make a holes here. So how? Now let me check what is the radius of diameter of the hole. So the diameter of this hole is 4.5 mm, 05. So we'll take it as 4. Let's take it as 4. The diameter of this hole as 4. Okay, come to SolidWorks. Go to hole wizard. This time select the third option, drill size 4 mm. Go to position and select this one. And select this thing. Make a hole here. Make a hole here too. Make a hole here too. And make a hole here too. Now here you see. Here we have made the hole and simply answer okay. Now here you see. The hole is ready. Now do we need to do anything? Let me check in the drawing. No. Everything is fine. And this model looks exactly according to the drawing. Now we need to make a fillet here. Let me see. Here the fillet is already given. Now everything is done. We just made some modifications here and a little bit of modification here too. And rest of them are as it is as given in the drawing. so no need to worry. Here is our final model, and this is exactly what it looks like. And try to make it on your own, and also try to make some more models like the process that I have used. Here is all the history which you can use for modification at any point you want. Here you see it changes the faces. See, now no need to do anything, everything is done. Now in this video we learned how to make this kind of valves. This is a complicated design, so we also learned how to make plane on any kind of angle. So I hope that you like the video, and thanks for watching the complete video. Thanks for watching. Go and subscribe the channel quickly, and also click on the bell notification icon so you will get notified every time when I upload a new video. This is enough for today's video. I'll see you in the next one. So thanks for watching. Bye.